If you want to turn off notifications on your Visible app, follow these simple steps to manage your settings effectively. Step 1. Open the Visible app. Launch the Visible app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by gear of 3 dots, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to notifications. In the settings menu, find the option labeled notifications or notification settings. Tap on it to view your notification preferences. Step 4. Toggle notifications off. You will see a list of different notification types. For each type you want to disable, toggle the switch to the off position. This will stop notifications from appearing for those categories. Step 5. Save changes. If prompted, make sure to save your changes before exiting the settings menu. This ensures that your preferences are applied. Now you can enjoy a quieter experience with fewer interruptions from notifications.